How to see last seen on Snapchat. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can see the last seen on Snapchat. Go on the Google Play Store, on the top search bar search for Snapchat. If there is any update option available then do update it. If not then you can simply open your Snapchat. Snapchat does not show you the exact last seen, but you can see the recent activity of your friends on Snapchat. Like, I can see simply that the person was active 1 hour ago, 3 hours ago, 3 hours ago, but I cannot exactly see when they have seen my message. I can see whether they have seen my message or not, because if I have the option of delivered right here, then I can be sure that the person have not seen my messages. But if it is opened, then I can be sure that okay, the person has seen my snap or the messages that I've sent. But Snapchat does not allow us to see the exact time when the Snapchat friend have seen our snaps or messages. So yes, that's how you can do it. You can simply see their activity, or you can even see their active status by going on the Google map of Snapchat, but you cannot see the exact time. So if you like the video, then please do thumbs up and subscribe our channel, and also comment on the comment section below.